Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome, welcome to everyone for joining my live stream. Candy Drop, Candy Drop 64th Candy Drop is a multiply Volti Wall, WAL Wall. Trade and deposit to share 1,066,000 66 lakh 6,666 balls. 13 August 2025 1 2 UTC. CandyDrop is Get CandyDrop airdrops platform where users complete tasks to earn candies and share tokens airdrops. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Thanks a lot everyone. So dear friends, सपोर्ट करें, मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम को शेयर करें. क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम जितने भी स्ट्रीमर्स हैं या फिर कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं, इन सबको एक दूसरे की सपोर्ट की नीड होती है. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, सबको सपोर्ट किया करें और कार्निवल में पॉइंट्स अर्न करने का मौका हासिल करें. ओके, और हम बात कर रहे थे कैंडी ड्रॉप के बारे में. कैंडी ड्रॉप इज गेट कैंडी ड्रॉप एयर ड्रॉप प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर यूजर्स कंप्लीट टास्क टू अर्न कैंडीज एंड शेयर टोकन्स एयर ड्रॉप्स. वी आर excited to launch the WAI tokens airdrops event and where you can complete the following tasks you to earn candies and share a total prize pool of 1,666 WAL with a maximum individual share of 2,000 WAL. Details are as follow. Thank you so much. Okay, dear friends, future trading pool 8,33,333 WAL maximum 1,000 WAL per person. And deposit trading pool 8,33,333 WAL maximum 1,000 WAL per person. And airdrop calculations formula individual candy amount into total candies of all users into prize pool. Event period 13 August 2025, 9 August and August 21, 2025, 9 UTC. Okay, join now. WALWL World is a decentralized platform that empowers users to create and deploy all agents capable of performing tasks, assumptions, and strategic options across both Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystem. Website and 1,066,000 666,666 total prize pool and 8,500 for participant and 5 days 21 hours and 12 minutes and 23 seconds are left. Okay, dear friends, registration open in 13 August 2025. Event end 21 August 2025 and airdrop distribution 10 September 2025 and the complete task to share 1,066,000 6,66,666 while price pool and future trading volume share 8,33,333 WAL and 8,33,333 WAL and 1 total tokens and 1000 individual share limit and complete task and share price pool. Login and participate 13 August 2025 and end in 21 August 2025 and complete task wall future trading task and activity rules user with an accumulated WAL future trading volume buy volume plus sale volume 30,000 USDT can share 8,33,333 WAL price pool based on their trading volume. The more you trade, you generate your reward. Thank you so much everyone for joining here. Thanks a lot everyone. Deposit to share 8,33,333 WAL. Dear friends, please like, follow and share this stream. Okay, dear friends, complete task and share price pool, login and participate. Complete task 1 while deposit 1000 USDT, net deposit among 1000 USDT and of wall tokens to receive 1 candy. And task 2 wall deposit 3000 USDT, net deposit among 3000 USDT of wall token to receive 3 candies. And task 3 wall deposit 5000 USDT, net deposit among 5000 USDT of wall token to receive candies. Okay, and claim up to 1000 ball and reward will be distributed on 10 9 reward will be distributed on 10 September 2025. 14. The actual arrival time shall prevail, and the activity rules when deposit at least 1000 USDT worth of the WAL and hold without withdrawal for 24 hours to earn up for 9 candies, and share 8,33,333 volts full. And number 2, net deposit on chain. Deposit mines on chain withdraw deposit code withdrawal, and C2C sales and withdrawals after tasks acceptance also count. Welcome to everyone, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much, Edwin. Okay, my dear friends, today we are talking about a brand new project WEL, and what is the requirement to participate in Candy Drop. This is a Candy Drop project, and user participating in Candy Drop are required to complete identity verifications and click the join button, and on the event page only after successfully joining will their activity data will be counted. Market makers and enterprises and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Alhamdulillah, I am fine dear, and how about you? Okay, and only after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers and enterprises and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Okay. And question number 2, what will candies will be distributed after completing task? And the answer is candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after using complete task, and after login and check in the candies obtained from candy drop after 3 hours. Okay. And question number 3, how is the net deposit calculated? And how is the net deposit calculated? The answer is during the task period, user must not perform any on-chain withdrawal and deposit code withdrawal of or C2C sell operations for any tokens after the depositing the specified tokens for the deposit event to the net deposit amount must be maintained for 24 hours to complete the deposit task using the deposited tokens for collateralize and letting holds and unfixed terms in the saving dual investment or support trading will not affect the net deposit balance. And question number 4 is, what is the price pool sharing, and why are no candies reward? Thank you so much. Okay, my dear friends, price pool sharing means that users who reach the activity their sold and through their transactions volume of recharge amount during the event can share the total reward pool and the proportionals. Therefore, there are no candies reward. Okay, terms and conditions. Number 1, participant must click the join button on the event page after successfully joining the event. complete the event task and identity verification to receive the reward. And number two, receive reward will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. And number three, block registration of multiple account and malicious account volume manipulations, wash, trading, self-dealing, or other cheating behavior are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user's identity will be considered a single account. Sub account are not eligible to participations. And number four, market makers, business and institutions are not eligible for this event's affiliated account and cannot join referral activities but can participate in all other events without restrictions. And number five, in case of discrepancies between translated version and the English version shall prevail. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining me, and thank you so much. Okay, and number five, in case of discrepancy between translated version and the English version shall prevail. Number six, can reverse the final right of interruptions for these events. And number 7. User from restricted regions will be unable to use all over parts of the service, including participation in these events and games or concerts. And for details information regarding restrictions regions, please refer to the user agreements. And number 8, risk warning. Users must bear in mind that the cryptocurrency trading is affected by multiple factors such as the market dynamics and regulators policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risk and trade cautiously. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, and we are now go to official website. Okay, official website is the collaborate creators and automate and deploy your 24/7 की ये सब नजर थोड़ा आहिस्ता बोल स्पीकर 24/7 all workforce and the create intelligence automates all agents that the automate your web3 life and deploy agent and get airdrops world 3 automating and your web3 adventures with long lives and the expert agents.
Hi, I'm Jesse from World 3. The Web3 world is complex and never sleeps. That's why your tools have to keep up. We've built long-lived expert agents that run for you 24/7 dedicated VM. Their real power comes from being Web3 native. They don't just scrape data, they truly understand on-chain reality. Our goal is to help you automate your entire Web3 world. Let me show you how. First, let's see how a newcomer can explore Web3 opportunities safely and efficiently. I'm asking our Web3 advisor to suggest a profitable PTE game It instantly taps into the World 3 knowledge base, recommends the fully integrated crystal caves, and provides a clear tutorial. The advisor, it even asks if I'm ready. Let's do it. With a single click, it deploys a dedicated agent for the game. After a simple setup, the agent is live, reading real-time on-chain data. Based on the game's current state, it intelligently selects the optimal mining strategy for its next move, and you can see the rewards accumulate. This isn't just following commands, it's actively thinking and strategizing for you on-chain. But World 3 is far more than just getting started. For complex tasks like asset management, our specialized agents take over. Let's give our trading agent a real-world challenge, managing my USDC on 2 chains with a conservative strategy. It starts not with an answer, but with a clarifying question to tailor the perfect plan for me. Now, watch the core Web3 native difference. To create a personalized plan, the agent securely accesses my wallet's asset information. Your funds always remain under your control. Based on what I hold, it then dives deep into real on-chain data to find the most suitable high-yielding opportunities for those specific assets. It returns with a transparent, personalized strategy. But the real magic happens after I approve. The agent doesn't just give me instructions, it takes action. It automatically connects to the protocols and directly interacts with the smart contracts on each chain to execute the entire plan. This is the power of a true Web3 agent. Understanding the chain, creating a strategy, and then executing it for you. This is a professional grade asset management, redefined and fully automated. So, we've seen how agents guide and manage, but what about building something new from the ground up? This is where our agent ecosystem truly shines. I'll start with a simple concept, a decentralized VPN. Our DocuWriter agent doesn't just write, it analyzes the market, studies competitors, and understands the technical requirements. It thinks, plans, and then executes, producing a professional white paper. This document becomes a smart artifact, the source of truth for other agents. Now, for the magic of artifact handoff, I give the white paper to our Web3 dev agent. It reads and understands the entire vision, then formulates a plan to turn into code. Within moments, it delivers not just clean, production-ready code, but a live website, from a document to a live product instantly. Finally, I'll use that same artifact with our influencer agent to build a community. It ingests the project's soul from the white paper to create a complete marketing strategy. Once approved, it executes autonomously, posting content, engaging with key figures, and tracking its performance. This isn't just scheduling posts, it's a full-fledged intelligent marketing campaign run by an agent. What makes this level of on-chain intelligence and collaboration even possible is our unique architecture. Our modular architecture, with its expandable skill and knowledge packs, creates an infinitely expandable Web3 world model. This runs on a cloud-native world VM, enabling agents to execute complex, long-term tasks across any Web3 scenario. This is how we truly automate every aspect of your Web3 life. Deploy your agent workforce today with World3 AI and automate your
What
Web3 life.
deploy your agent workforce at? Okay, this is all about wall and the transcribe it. This is the exercise like that. The watch replay. Your EL workforce and capability on click and the agent deploy and the deploy your the all employees in minutes and the not month and the zero coding in the required monitors your EL workforce and the through real times and the dashboard as they execute in the complex in the Web3 task in the autonomy. And the modelize in the agents and the customize your agents with unique personalities and the skills and the plugins and the knowledge and the effect in the assist millions of the external web 2 and web 3 apps to external data feeds and 24/7 intelligence workforce and the you never in the sleeping at AI and employing the handle TAPI optimizations in the social media and the management and gaming's automations all running 24/7 and without self provisions. Okay, and universal web 3 assist in the through word VM and Yeah, process automating. You are the agents. You are agents and can do it. And this is the smart asset management in the your EL agent act as a required quantitative fund and the managers optimize the efficient and the executing and the trading as a strategies atomic and wealth generations while you focus on strategies. Okay, my dear friends, and architecture, the foundation of Web 3, human users, the agent applications layer, and the users interface layers for creating and managing, and the AI agents include the code AI agents portal for designing in the agents and agents marketplace, a multiple agents playground for testing agents and user created apps and the market interactions with AI agents and intuitive and scalable. Okay, end management agents world AI protocol. AI agents skills plugging in the knowledge pack and the word AI protocol. The word AI protocol powers the intelligence and the adaptability of AI agents. It equips them with the skills plugging in the knowledge the pack and the advance in the planning and the executions knowledge pack and advanced planning models in atomic in the workflow and handle complex tasks. Planning and executions models and the multiple models, language models and AI agents on chain interactions, blockchains layers. Thank you so much, everyone. The blockchain's layers provide us a decentralized security and the interoperability in the with the World AI protocol, blockchains, ACID and AGA and the WAL tokens and the governance features it's ensure and the agent can operate securely in the decentralized ecosystem while bridging AI and Web3. Explore the Web3 ecosystem, AI agents in the protocol portal. Your AI hiring in the center and the create specialized employees for every Web3 task for from crypto trading in the specialized system for to social media managers and the each agents learns and improves from every instructions and full agent customization with personality and the skills and the knowledge models and the agent again skills and the adaptation through real-time interactions with users the virtual environment and enter the agent portal and explore the metrics world a T3 playground and the humans and the AI agent with the features supporting for AR, VR, MR. Okay. Okay, explore the crystal caves. Crystal caves in the deploy gamings and the agents and the and that earn Deploy gaming agent that and while the use sleep that disperse the AI powered P2E in the games where the user agents in the mind compete and generate real reward across multiple chains and they completely autonomous. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me and supporting me. Okay, AI driving gamified the mission platform World 3 Quest and they provided the gamified and the mission space and they where the agent and user can complete tasks for reward and AI driving the missions for both users and AI agents with quests for lumps and the consequently WAL and the DGE unified driving space for goals and the obtain agents and the learning to involvement from missions and the completions for missions creations interquest. Okay, our story, your AI workforce in actions and real agents real result and real revenue generation across web3. Last post. Okay, word 3 WAL airdrops and exclusive tokens airdrops for eligible Binance Alpha traders and word 3. Okay, and our collaborations, the best investor trust world 3. Thank you so much everyone. Okay, white paper, white paper. A future of Web3 all workforce and the Verge 3 is a decentralized platform that empower users to create and deploy all agents capable of performing tasks and automations and strategic operations and across both Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystem powered by the cutting edge agents VM technology and the Word 3 protocol. Our platform enables users to build in their expert levels and the agents are equipped with hierarchical and the planning continuous executions multi-chain and the consecutively and across platform automations. We are building the world's first Web3 natives and expert AI agents in the workforce and the design from the ground up to host a new class of digital entries and the persist and the professional and the great agents are capable of executing complex multiple step tasks in the autonomously in the over expanded periods and join us in building in the future. The future work is the remaining in the boundaries are expanded and the human potential is amplified. Okay, join us in building in the future work is the remaining boundaries and the expanded and the human potential is amplified through the powers of autonomous all agents. Okay, and introduction the digital franchise challenge is the digital fortunately expanded at the unprecedented and the rate yet is the remains largely and estimate both is the established Web 2 and the landscape and the versionized Web 3 in the ecosystem are the constrainedly by the fundamental and then limited the absence of a truly autonomous intelligence workflows and that there is a AL consists of the passive tools that the requirement requires a consistent human guidance while the automations is confined to the rich programmed script that creates a killing on productively and the innovation and the present significant barriers and the seamless integrations of Web 2 and Web 3 worlds and the moreover the overlapping and the number of AI performing Embracing Delhi can something leaves us even more confused. I am of efforts to add address in the limitations and uncertainties and unlimited to pressure and optimize the integrations. The Word 3 platform was born. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, Word 3 is a decentralized platform that empowers users to create and deploy all agents. These agents perform tasks in the automations and engage in the strategic operations across both Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystem, powered by cutting and agents in the VM, the technology, and the Word 3 AL protocol. Our platform empowers users to build experts level agents required with in the hierarchical in the planning, strategic thinking, and the goal. Decommissions and the continuous equations 24/7, the autonomic operations and the multi-chain conventional native Web 3 integrations, cross-platform automation, seamless Web 2, Web 3 operations. New class of digital intelligence, we are building the world. We are building the world's first Web3 native expert agents workforce for our platform designed from the ground up to host a new class of digital entities in the president a professional grant and the agent capable of executing complex multi-step tasks and autonomously over the extended periods and the beyond simple chatbot. And these are not simple chatbots, are the single purpose bot, and they are the workforce of a specialist. Okay, trade executing in the sophisticated DeFi and the strategies marketers and the managing automates in the social media compliance and analysis processing data and the generating insight 12 plus filters and the deploy applications and the gaming specialist optimizing the play to earn strategies and all operations 24/7 across any digital environment. Conceptuals and the foundations and the thick of it is the emergence of a professional autonomic workforce for the digital age and the conceptuals and similar to the advanced agents capabilities seen in Web 2 platform like months, but fundamentally rebut with the native Web 3 integrations and the on-chain capabilities, decentralized thoughts and the multi-chain operations and the manages the autonomous AL agents in the platform that is the empower Amazon in the Web 2 environment automatically performing in the complex digital task based on users natural neutral language is the command and the Word 3 version the version expanded beyond in the simple automation to create a fundamental shift in how digital work is performed. Number one, from reactive as a proactive traditional AI tools wait for the command Web 3 agents and the anticipate and the need to be taken in the innovated and based on long-term objective and from sessions based to persist and the most AI integrations. And when you can close that chat in the Word 3 agents remember context and they learn from the experience and continue work even in the when you're offline. Okay, from signals in the chain to multi-chain. Web 3 is the fragmented across multiple blockchains. The Word 3 and the agents and the operates seamlessly across any chain protocol or TAP, and from the technical barriers to accessible powers in the complex Web3 operations require deep the technical knowledge in the Web3 Word 3 in the agents democratized access to software thanks to blockchain's capabilities. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, what real impact Web3 is the theoretical, where we are already demonstrations are real impact in the 6 lakhs plus registration user activity building on the deploying agent, and the 24,000 plus individual all agents running continuously in 47,000 plus automatic social media posts in the generate, and 1.7 million plus on-chain transactions executed autonomously, and the top rank achieved across multiple blockchain platforms. What make Web 3 difference in the truly autonomy, not just API calls in the war up in the chat interface, but genuine autonomy in the operates with the memory, the planning, and the executing capability. Web 2 and the proficient in the Web3, the optimizer designed to operate seamlessly across the trading in the Web2 infrastructure while offering native levels in the support for blockchain environment, including gas fee awareness, smart contracts, interactions, and multi-chain probability, and modular architectures and proven performance and the future of work. Web3 represent that the just a perform is that the paradigmic shift toward a future where the human focus on strategies and creativity while the agent handle execution digital work in the country 24/7 without human interactions, and the complex web 2 operations become accessible to everyone. AI capability are democratized through the community contributions. This white paper details the core challenges in the preventing and the true digital autonomy for unique technology architectures, and the Word 3 has the engine to solve them. The vibrant token. Vibrant token economy is powered by WAL that they fuels our ecosystem and our roadmap and to deploying this expert AI workforce and across the global digital landscape. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining here. Okay, AI claim airdrops, reward, WAL, Lemnis protocol, and PSVS for total reward 10 billion WAL. Binance Alpha airdrops start, and the community airdrops start in pre-launch snapshot and the complete preparations for TGE and the airdrops and claim. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, my dear friends. Future trade price pool rules and the user with cumulatives in the WAL future trading volume buy plus sale volume 30,000 USDT can share price pool. Prize pool of 8,33,333 WAL based on WAL future trading volume with a cap of 1,000 WAL. The more you trade, the more reward you earn. And deposit price pool during the event, users with net WAL deposit 1,000 USD yield for at least 24 hours and not withdrawn will receive candies based on their on the deposit amount. A total reward pool of 8,33,333 WAL will be shared at the maximum users per user of 1,000 WAL. Net deposit is calculated based on the WAL price at the time of deposit. Cumulatives in the net deposit on chain will also be included in the net deposit data. WAL net deposit 1,000 USDT 1 candy, and WAL net deposit 3,000 USDT 3 candies. WAL net deposit 5,000 USDT and 5 candies. Okay. Project introductions. Project introduction is Word 3 is a decentralized platform that empowers users to create and deploy all agents capable of performing tasks in the automations and strategic operations across both Web 2 and Web 3 ecosystem powered by cutting edge and the Agent VM technology and the Word 3 all protocol. Our platform enable users to build expert level agents equipped with hierarchies and the planning and the continuous and ex- executions in the multi-channel connectivity and the cross-platform automations. We are building the Word 5 in the Web 3 natives and expert AL agents in the workforce and they designed from the ground up to host a new. A new class of digital entities in the present professional grant agents capable of execute in complex multi-step and the task autonomously. The extend in the periods token WAL official website. Okay, not participant must click the join now and button on the event page after successfully joining the event. After they must complete the event task and identity verification to receive reward. Reward will be distributed to user account within 14 working days after the event end, and it is strictly prohibited to register multiple small accounts and engage in the evolutions of horse trading and the self-buying and self-selling or any cheating behaviors. Multiple accounts or the same verified user will be considered the same account. Sub-account are not allowed to participate in activities. And number four, market makers and enterprise institutions are not allowed to participate in these events. In these agents, In these events, an agent account cannot participate in friend invitations types and activities, while other activities are unrestricted. And number five, in case of any discrepancy between the translated version, the English version shall prevail. And number six, GET has the final interpretations right of the event. Number six, GET has the final interpretation right of for this event. And number seven, user in the restricted radius cannot cross all or part of the service, including participating in this event and the games or competitions. For more information about Restricted areas, please read user agreements. And number eight, risk warning. User must pay attention to the fact that the virtual currencies trading is affected by the various factors such as the market and policies. The market is a highly volatile and price fluctuations are difficult to predict. Please be sure to pay. Get Team 13 August 2025 Gateway to Crypto. Trade over 35,000 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 welcome reward. Invite friends and earn up a 40% commission. Stay connect. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app and desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bounces, and join our Telegram community. Stay connected, visit Get official website, download the Get app desktop, follow us on X Twitter account to get more bounces, and join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insight and transparency and security. Check our 100% proof of reserves. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. Okay, this is all about Candy Drop 64th Candy Drop into Word 3 WAL trade and deposit to share 1,066,666,666 WAL. Okay. Candy Drop complete task to claim airdrops 126.5k total participations and 1.10 million total airdrops USD. Project deposit 2 trade 6 invite 2. Okay, Ethereum ANI and AIBOT abort and line WAI. WAI is a Candy Drop project. WAI Word 3 is a decentralized platform that's empower users to create and deploy agents. Okay. Okay, my dear friends, and launch full quick staking and potential new tokens and 95.83 million cumulative airdrop 645.97 K in the estimate total airdrops and 38.09 billion fundraise and the 6 million plus participations. What is Launchpool? Launchpool is a platform where users can stake their asset to provide liquidity and to earn reward in in project. जानबूझ के कर रही है, जानबूझ के। New project tokens. User can look specific tokens in the launch pool to receive corresponding project token reward. Join launch pool. Okay, how can I participate in launch pool? First, log in your get account and navigate to launch pool page, and then choose the project you want to participate in and stake your asset. Which coins can I stake in launch pool? The token eligible for participation will announced on the mining page of each project. Will visit the corresponding page of a launch pool to view more details. And number four, how to get a reward bonus. And when you stake BTC, GT, Ethereum, and USDT in launch pool, you will get a bonus, which is still subject to the individual reward cap per hours and per choosing to transfer the redeemed asset to simple and fixed terms. And please note that the subscription to simple and flexible terms to fixed terms used in the outstanding launch pool will not qualifying for users. Okay, and how many tokens will be rewarded? The answer is the answer, the already are staking reward individuals latest one over validity staking amount total pool, and that staking amount into hourly reward pool, and the system will take a snapshot of individual staking amount each hours and take average as the validity staking amount. Why did not receive bonus after subscribing to simple and fixed terms when staking? If you have reached the reward cap per in the horse, no more bonus will be distributed. How is the reward distribute system will take snapshot of individual staking amount is this, distribute tokens reward for eligible users. Hourly reward earning and they will be distributed into the user's sport account. Okay, dear friends, thank you so much, everyone. And question number eight is when will okay, and this is launch pool and holder airdrops. Holder hold GT and get Mississippi airdrops for free. And cumulative airdrops 296.65 million. Cumulative airdrops 11 million plus. Participation 282 project launch. Okay, and launch pool. Launch pool launch be early then to the next big tokens in the 1.77 billion amount, 74.86k in the participation. Three projects. No project in launch pool now, and try to launch pool. Look Ethereum and public to get public airdrops. Highest APR 1073.12 participation. Historical project IKA and pump and PFVS. Okay, join launch pool. Get launch pool is a globally leading in the project launch web platform. Join now and to give your project more export and growth opportunities. And okay, apply now. Apply to list on Get Foundation in 2013. Get is a considered ranking amounts at the world's top in the 10 cryptocurrencies exchange is the fully attitude to provide 100% proof of reserve of a token. The listed applications offer the project teams and the trusted and powerful platform to launch and grow by joining Get reverse tokens ecosystem. Your project can reach 10 of the millions of the users worldwide in the boosting and the visibility, credibility, and the market liquidity. Where you are listed our tokens for the first time to expand it into the new market, get reverse cleavers efficiency in the professional listing in the service and the robust promotional support to help you succeed. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining me. So, dear friends, this is all about WAL project. So take care and see you in next stream. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.